Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine and healthy. Today's topic is properties of integers. I hope you have understood the last video. In the last video, we have learnt properties of addition and subtraction of integers. In today's video, we are going to see about properties of multiplication of integers. Let us see how to multiply the integers. If we multiply two negative integers, as a result, we will get positive integer. If we multiply two positive integer, as a result, we will get positive integer. In general, if we multiply integers with the same sign, as a result, we will get the positive integer. But integers with a different sign, as a result, we will get the negative integer. That is, plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Next one, multiplication of 3 or more negative integers. If the number of negative integers in a product is even, then the product is a positive integer. If the number of negative integers in a product is odd, then the product is negative integer. Next one, properties of multiplication of integers. First property is closure under multiplication. Already we have learnt about closure under addition and subtraction. In the same way, if we multiply two integer, what do we get? Yes, the result also an integer. Let us see some example. 30 into 15 is equal to 450. Minus 55 into minus 10, 550. Minus 10 into plus 10, minus 100. If we multiply two integer, the result is always an integer. So, integers are closed under multiplication. So, integers are closed under multiplication. Let a and b be two integers. A into b is also an integer. Next one is commutative property. What will happen if we change the order of integers when we multiply? For example, 30 into 15 is equal to 45. 15 into 30 is also equal to 45. Minus 55 into minus 10 is equal to plus 550. Minus 10 into minus 55 is also equal to plus 550. Minus 10 into plus 10 is equal to minus 100. Plus 10 into minus 10 is equal to minus 100. So, if we change the order of integers, their product remains the same. A and B two integers, then A into B is equal to B into A. Next one is associative property. Like whole numbers, the product of three integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers. And this is called the associative property for multiplication of integers. Let a, b and c be three integers. Then bracket of a into b into c is equal to a into bracket of b into c. Next property is multiplication by 0. The product of a negative integer and 0 is always 0. If we multiply an integer by 0, their product is always 0. See, for example, 12 into 0 is 0, minus 3 into 0 is 0, minus 20 into 0 is 0. In general, let a be any integer, then a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. Next one is multiplicative identity. If we multiply an integer by 1, their product is the same integer itself. For example, 12 multiplied by 1 is 12, minus 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3, minus 20 multiplied by 1 is minus 20. In general, let a be any integer, then a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Last one is distributive property. We have already learnt in whole numbers. What is distributive property? Yes, of course, a into bracket of b plus c is equal to bracket of a into b plus bracket of a into c. is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Let us check for integers. So let us take one example, minus 2 into bracket of 3 plus 10. We will do the bracket first. So 3 plus 10 is 13. So minus 2 into 13 is minus 26. Here let us do multiplication first and then we will add. Minus 2 into 3 plus minus 2 into 10. Minus 6 plus minus 20 is equal to minus 20. So these two expressions mean the same thing, that is minus 2 into 3 bracket of 3 plus 10 is equal to minus 2 into 3 plus bracket of minus 2 into 10. So we say that the distributivity of multiplication over addition is true for integer also. Let a, b and c be three integers, then a into bracket of b plus c is equal to bracket of a into b plus bracket of a into c. Let us revise all the properties of multiplication. A into b is also an integer, that is closure property. A into b is equal to b into a is commutative. A into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0, that is 0 property. A into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a, that is multiplicative identity. Bracket of a into b into c is equal to a into bracket of b into c. This is associative property. Last one, a into bracket of b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c is distributive property. Thank you students. We will meet in the next video session.